Alrighty, y'all. So, as you can tell, I'm happy as fuck. I passed the inspection with the city flying colors. The man was cool as fuck. This is my little happy dance. Chill. My shit. He walked in and he said, "Toasty." Anyways, I thought I'd give you guys a preview of the house that I did and what the work that I did. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and walk you through this motherfucker. So this is the living room. I had to put 2 supply vents there, and my return vents are up here against this wall. I believe I got the homeowner calling me. I do. I'm gonna let y'all see me take this call. Watch this. Don, buenas tardes.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, más mejor. ¿Cuáles tardes, verdad? ¿Cuáles tardes? ¿Cómo está?
Bien, ya me tenías preocupado.
¿Por qué? A ver, ¿por qué? ¿Y eso por qué?
Pues no me hablaste luego.
No, eso no se preocupe. Yo estaba esperando al inspector. Es que no me llegó a las meras 10 el don.
¿No?
No, llegó como como unos 10 minutos. Como unos 10 minutos tarde, pero se acaba de ir. Y sí nos pasó y todo bien. Nomás me pidió unas cuantas cositas bien chiquitas ahí en el basement. Nomás quiere que le selle allí al ladrillo del chimney. Ahí está como craqueado. Y me dice, nomás rellénale con algo que tienes ahí en la troca. Pero le voy a rellenar con un caulk, que es para lumbre, pues. Y solo eso me pidió, eso y un cover en el switch. Pero por lo demás dice que se mira muy bien. Y también me estaba diciendo que la casa que va bien, me dice que él era el que llegó antes a darle la primera inspección y que estaba bien feo. Me dice el techo estaba bien feo, dice que sí estaba bien feo aquí adentro. Dice, ahora sí ya ahí va bien. Y dije, no, está bien. Dije, yo no sabía nada de eso. Y yo le digo al don. Entonces nomás le quería pasar el mensaje que me dijo él.
Oh, sí le gustó al güey.
Yeah, sí le gustó, no, sí, y no me le hizo de pedo ni del switch o nada, ni entró allí, o sea, no, nos pasamos hablando del pinche frío y de jales que de bien y, o sea, de parte del jale que hice, dice que quedó muy bien, que porque acaba de venir de otra casa y que no le metieron la línea de gas bien y algo así, o sea, nomás se puso a hablar conmigo pues, pero está bien. Sí, se puso a platicar el güey, pero pues, aunque nos pase, I don't give a damn, you talk, brother. You know? You talk.
Ok, entonces al rato nos vemos, te hablo cuando yo esté ahí.
Sí, está bien, sí.
Money.
Ok, sounds good, y si no se puede hoy, pues, para el viernes.
No, hoy se puede, como chingado.
Ok, va, ya está.
Ahí nos vemos, entonces, ¿qué te decir? Entonces quedamos en 2000 y vas a parquear la troca ahí.
Sí, quedamos, sí, nomás tráete 2 y ya quedamos con la troca, y ya quedamos así.
Cámara, chavo, ahí nos vemos.
Va, brother, ahora quedamos, aquí te dejo el papel, va. So that's the owner, Humberto. As you can see, he's excited. I'm excited. I mean, that's perfect timing. The nigga called me. That's crazy. Anyways, the house is coming along. Let me go back to where I was so y'all can see what's going on. Flip this motherfucker around right quick. Wow. Alright, so as I was saying, this is the front room. We couldn't put supplies over there because there's all concrete. So those are supplies. These here are returns. I also got another little room. Got a supply there. Got a return there. Gotta buy more covers. Wow. It's a little hallway here. Got a supply there. Got a return there. Got a supply there. Then I got a return there. Need to get another cover. It's working on the little bathrooms now, so don't mind the mess. Got my supply in this corner. Cabrón, qué feo. Got a supply, got a return. Got a supply in that corner over there. That's where the stove's gonna be. We put a return here so that way it pulls this air and not all the grease whenever they are cooking. It's the last room here. Our supply is over there. Our return is here. Let's go check out the basement so you guys can see. So you can see the actual machine and the ductwork and all the work that actually had to be done. This is the back room, a little porch area. We had to put a little supply in here also, right there. Gotta buy the vent. Take you guys downstairs so you can see what I got going on. This was a fun project. It was. This is where the sheet metal starts. That's for the kitchen there. It's for that back porch over there. This is a return for that room. These are all, this is my supply run. This is my return run. As you can see, we split it off, gave it 290s to stay away from this chimney here, just to pass inspection. Didn't want no problems or no issues. So better safe than sorry. This is what our Goodman 80,000 upflow unit. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty basic setup. Can't forget a lot of guys forget to install this drip leg. Don't forget to do that, fellas. As you can see, this is all the sheet metal here that we ran. All this line here is the supply, and all this line here is a return. We try to keep them as tucked as possible up to the ceiling. As you can see, reason we try to keep it up as closest to the ceiling is if in future reference the gentleman would like to frame this area or this room here, well, I'm sorry, mainly this area into rooms. The beautiful thing is, since this machine is sitting there in the center and not here in the center, is that they can build around it and make it a utility room, and we will have all this area here and all that ceiling space here to still walk through it and for it to be comfortable for people. So that's where I decided to tell the crew to stay up as high as possible and as closest to the beam, this support beam here, so that way when they do frame, they come flush here and come up here and it doesn't look all crazy and stuff. But yeah, this is it here, fellas, ladies and gents. Another past inspection, another past install by yours truly, 911 Heating and Cooling. Holla at your boy, man. Peace.